Dineklara ng Second Division ng Commission on Elections o COMELEC na diskwalipikado ya i Jaime Venson Capil king kayang kandidatura para alkalde ng Porac king kakayari pa mong alala ninyang May 12, 2025. King resolution, ikita na kanon ng COMELEC na perpetually disqualified J. Capil king pamadala na numang public office bilang pamanuki king 2025 decision ng Office of the Ombudsman ang mag-dismiss kaya king serbisyo kaugnay ng kasong administratibo. King phone interview kang attorney Elmo Duque, Assistant Regional Director ng COMELEC Region 3, mi deklara lang stray votes o ela mabilang rengagang boto para kang Capil. Mga intuliran na ing menikwang kaduang peka mata sa boto king mayoral race o king sitwasyon na iti imaik tapang ing may proklamang alkalde.
Ombudsman rules promulgated in Administrative Order Number 07, Series of 1990, as amended by Administrative Order Number 17, Series of 2003, Section 10 of its Rules 111. Rule 3, it states that the penalty of dismissal from the service shall carry with it that of cancellation of eligibility. So, ibig sabihin yan, hindi siya qualified na candidate from the time he filed his certificate of candidacy. Nag-retroact yung decision ng ombudsman na hindi siya qualified. Since disqualified siya, istray yung boto niya. Therefore, ang order dito sa May 28, decision ng Second Division, ito yung order. Grant instant petition. Second, declare respondent disqualified from running for the position of mayor in the municipality of Porac Province, Pampanga in the May 12, 2025 national and local elections, and consider the vote cast in favor of the respondents is stray. Accordingly, the Municipal Board of Canvassers of Porac, Pampanga is hereby ordered to reconvene and perform the following. Make the necessary corrections in the certificate of canvass of votes and proclamation and proclaim the candidate with the highest number of valid votes.
Inatasan niya naman ng Municipal Board of Canvassers ng Porac na i-use to ing Certificate of Canvass at iproklamay tapang bilang halala alkalde ng Balen. Samantala, balaos na namang kukuhanan pasyag ng news team i Jaime Capil di Kilketi. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para King News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking Balen, susuyo.